Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. This time I have made short video to show you how to compile cost estimating and budgeting for ready-mix concrete supply for construction work in the oil and gas field. Okay, please pay attention to my following description. I call this program cost estimating and budgeting for ready-mix concrete supply. This program consists of 6 worksheets. It has design mix proportion. You could see here material unit price table, base plan, manpower and its rates, monthly manpower allocation and insurance, material procurement schedule, material allocation schedule, insurance for construction equipment, operational cost, and the last one is estimated cash flow. Okay, suppose in this case we have the concrete volume is 12,828 cubic meter. Okay, you could see here with detail 6,883 cubic meter for type 1 is one, and 5,745 cubic meter per type 2 is one, for 15 month project schedule. Okay, you could see here. Okay, let me check them one by one. We back again to the design mix proportion. Okay, here. Okay, this section determine how much material is required for 1 cubic meter concrete as it class revert to the result of the compressive strength test at 28 days. Yes. Then we found how many composition per 1 cubic meter concrete of its raw material for cement here. Yes. Cement, and then water here, sand here, aggregate, and for retardant and super plasticizer. Then we make a table for unit price. Okay, unit price of the material required, meaning that the unit price material shall be on site basis. Yes, and also included tax and contingency costs to anticipate the material price increasing during the project. Next, we calculate the material. Next, we calculate material costs according to the total material required in the project. The calculation of the total material cost found by multiplying, concrete quantity per class by material required as each concrete mix design. Then we multiply by the applicable unit price of each material. Okay, then we got the total price here. Then we create manpower table required to meet the contract requirement, complete with salary structures and other allowance for direct and indirect manpower. Okay, direct and indirect manpower. Then we calculate the monthly manpower cost for each personnel. Okay, this one, sorry. Yes. Okay, in this section, you could see in this section. Yes. Okay. Then we calculate the monthly manpower cost for each personnel. Then we make the manpower allocation according to the project schedule and internal requirement. Here, yes, internal requirement for refer to project schedule. Okay. We can see in each cell that contain formulation. You could see here, yes, and here, yes, already contain formulation inside. Next, we create material procurement schedule here, material procurement schedule, referring to the concrete requirement schedule per month here. Yes, this is monthly concrete requirement schedule. Okay, the result of this calculation are obtained from the allocation of monthly concrete volume divided by the total concrete volume multiply by the total material requirement as previously calculated in the material requirement calculation table, as well as the calculation of material cost according to the material requirement allocation. You could see here, yes, this total price of material of each material, yes. Okay, then we calculate the major construction, the major construction equipment insurance. Why do we only calculate the insurance cost? Because the construction equipment itself become a part of the contract already. This means that it will depend on your project nature whether the construction equipment is included in the contract or not. Next, we calculate the project operational cost here. Yes, the project operational cost. You could see here. Yes, it has the preparation cost for construction temporary facilities. Yes, here. Office and mess supply. Yes, and the other costs you could see here. Okay, the other operational costs. Okay. Furthermore, the most important of this part is the most important part of this program is estimated cash flow. Okay, which compile the cash outflow here. Yes, cash outflow, which is allocating all the costs required to run the projects as project schedule. Also cash inflow here. Yes, cash inflow here. You could see here, which is the plan of paid progress billings as monthly concrete schedule. Yes, you could see here. Okay, this one. Yes, in this stage must require excellent skills and experience to allocate cash flow sequentially, refer to all schedules so that it is close to real condition on site and as expected. However, due to project cycle, when the cash flow condition is minus, yes, when the cash flow condition is minus, okay, I already added odd capital to this section, but when I delete this item, the real condition of the cash flow is minus 8,823. Then we cover this, we call it this section again, we cover by our own capital by the cash of $9,750,000, because it is also for operational cost requirement in the early state, where in the first three months before the progress invoice is paid by the client, or because of large operational cost requirement at the early stage for site preparation, temporary facility construction. Yes, temporary facility construction. Here, manpower, material, and equipment mobilization. Here. Okay. For this reason, we use the company capital to finance the project, but we calculate the company's capital as a project loan. Yes. This project loan. Yes. You could see here. And we pay back with cost of money. Yes, we apply only 4% per annum for cost of money. Okay, this is actually a hidden project profit also. Okay, this short video, hopefully everything is clear and become a basis for your consideration. Thanks for watching. Stay connected and keep contact. See you.